That's a pretty coyote. He stopped and looked right up in here, buddy, but it was done too late. It's 20 yards, man. I smoked his ass. I had a pretty 8-point in here, or a little 9-pointer in there this morning. And then I seen a big buck running a doe out there, man. It's early for that. I'm gonna cock this thing back up, get ready to rock and roll for another one, because it's early. I'm out here in a big hardwood flat. Man, acorns are everywhere in here this year. You guys stay with us. That's a pretty coyote. Got down and fixed to go look for that coyote. Man, I tell you what, that big Grim Reaper, I think he ate him up. I don't know exactly where he hit him at. The light and knock never come on. I'm gonna show you guys what a beautiful, beautiful set this is right here. I've seen 4 or 5 bucks this morning, and I don't know how many does, and 3 coyotes. I had one of them to come running by me. I couldn't get a shot at, but this one right here, I think I toasted him. Go down there and see if I can't find him. I swear them things are tough. That thing went about right there's the top of the hill. It probably went maybe 40, 50 yards down through here. Man, I tell you what, that thing hit him hard. I don't know how in the world they do that. I think it makes 4 or 5 of them things I've killed over the years with a bow. And man, they're always a blast. You always feel like you do good. I'll show you guys him here. Tag on. He may have went 40 yards, I'm thinking, right there at the top of the hill. He just come down through here and piled up here and died. I'm tickled to death. I'd like to got them other 2. I'll tell you what, there was 3 of them in here. I seen a bunch of deer in here today too. There's acorns everywhere this year. And I've got this stand down here, right on a big long ridge with a bunch of acorn trees. And I always hunt feed. I don't care whether I'm hunting over a feeder with the Grandpa Special Mix or a persimmon patch, or they ain't no difference to me. Cornfield, you know, food plots. I mean, it's all, you're all feed hunting, you know. I'm gonna get this thing, get on out here and get you guys some pictures from it. I appreciate you guys staying with me today. It's a pretty awesome video. Pretty different anyway.